everybody, and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha, and today we are going to make robots. You can pick up your robot kit from the Sam Garcia Library or the Avondale Civic Center Library for the month of August. Okay, so in your kit you will have the double-sided sticky pad, the brush head, the motor, the battery, the two legs, and the two eyes. And we'll go ahead and put that. So you're going to want to take the two plastic pieces off of each side of your sticky pad. And once you've done that, you're going to put your sticky pad to the kind of middle to back end of your brush head, just like that. And then you're going to want to put your motor on, and you want the blue wire to go right down on that sticky pad, just like that. So not the red one yet, just the blue one. And then you're going to want to go ahead and open the battery pack, that little package. Just go ahead and open that. Get your battery out. And you want the back side of your battery to touch the blue wire. Okay, so just the blue on the motor, blue wire, and then battery. Perfect. And then you're going to take your two legs and you're going to put it between the blue and red wire. And you're going to put it and bend it down. That way your robot has some legs. Just like that. And then you're going to want to go ahead and pull off the paper side of your eyes. That way you can get to the sticky side. It should be sticky to touch once you've taken off the paper. And you're going to put it on your robot, both sides of the head of that brush. So I'll go ahead and do that. This part can be kind of tricky. Now I got his eyes on. Okay, and then you're going to take the piece of tape that you'll have at home. Mine's a little odder. And you're going to go ahead and put the tape over the eye, and then, this is the fun part, you're going to touch the red tip of the wire to that battery and you'll feel the motor moving. And you're going to go right over to the eye and to the other eye. And you press it down and you'll see him moving. Isn't that great? There are many everyday robots. Here are some. This is a robot vacuum cleaner, which are programmed to help people clean their house. These robots are programmed to clean pools since leaves and dirt can get to hard to reach places. These robots are programmed to scan body temperatures from a distance. Pretty neat, huh?